my YouTube channel Arty Party DIY. Our journey has begun already before 3 weeks, and today we are making all those beautiful clay dishes you have just seen in the slide. So before any further ado, let's just straight away start to making our dishes. So now roll the clay as we have seen in last video and cut it in the circle. For first dish which we are doing in circle shape, cut it in the circle, and to keep it for drying you have to keep it on the curved surface so that it gets the same curves. So suppose I am taking a bowl here. You either can place this dish like this or you place it inside also. So it depends on you how much curve you want. And second type is heart shaped dish. So let us roll the clay. You can make heart shape on this clay with the help of such tool, or I have this cake tin which I usually use for heart shape. So now this cutting is ready, heart shape. You have to make sure that you are keeping these edges inside so that it should not be, like sharp edges. So this is done, and now I want this to be like this. So it will dry. If you want to make any textures as we have seen in last video, we can do that as well. So suppose I'm just using this ball tool and just pressing it at the edges of heart, and this is gonna look something like that. And let it dry and color as you wish. I have written S on it because I wanted to gift it to someone whose name starts with S later. So you can do all those things also. We are making beautiful palm dish. This looks amazing and it meets the purpose of placing all the jewelry. So this is the hand of my daughter, and you can cut it like this, and that's all. Now make sure you are smoothing these edges, otherwise once it's dry it is gonna remain sharp. So try to smooth it with your hand. So once you smooth all the edges, you can place this on the back side of the bowl. Let it dry and it is gonna look beautiful as shown in the picture. It can style up your dressing table. So third type is this beautiful dish with cuts on the heart. This is my heart again, and remove the excess, put it in the airtight container and give the cuts you want. So check it out. So give it cuts like this, and one more. You can give any number of cuts, and this looks amazing once you paint it. Don't forget to smoothen the edges every time before putting it to dry on the curved surface. So this is again going to be like that, and let's wait to dry and then we'll color it like this. And this amazing, beautiful and simple type, as we have seen in the last video of some embossing techniques, here we are using a real leaf for embossing as well as to give the shape. So this is a real leaf. I want to make the dish of this shape and size. So place this leaf on the clay and press it. You can also roll it a bit. This is not going to stick, it seems. Anyways, that's okay. And then cut it. You just can take it. And for this amazing texture, what you have to do, you just have to do it like this, like this, like this, like this. And I don't want much curve to this dish, so I'm just going to let it dry like this. So it is gonna look as shown in the picture. How beautiful is that? So for this marble dish, I'm going to take these colors, and what we have to do, we just have to roll it like this and make the snakes, it is called. So make the snake out of it and try to roll it as much as you can. Do it with all. Now my snakes are ready. So take all of them together and twist it like this. Twist it like this, and then roll it all together. Again, these colors should blend in each other. That is the reason you have to do it. So now this is the beautiful blend I have got, and I'm going to roll it now to make the dish. Wow, this looks beautiful. You can make it thick or thin as per your requirement. And this is my beautiful circle. I'm going to smoothening these edges and putting it to dry, and once it dry, I may add some colors or just let it be like this. For something additional, you can do something like this. Just give a little cone like. So this was all for today. I hope you have liked the video, and if so, please hit the like button. Those who have not subscribed to the channel so far, please do it. Also press the bell icon to receive notifications for new videos. I'll be coming up with amazing tips and tricks, so keep following and shower your love. Bye for now. See you on next Friday. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.